Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a get ready with me look holiday season, because Christmas and is in a few days away, baby. So you need to be ready. If you don't have your looks, you need to get your looks, because we're gonna work on a holiday Christmas look. It's going to be more of a get ready with me, so not so much of a tutorial step by step, play by play this time, but I'm sure you guys will follow along just perfectly fine. So welcome. Grab your things, get ready, and we're going to have a great video. So tune in for this holiday look. So I shaped my eyebrows off camera, so I'm just going to go ahead and conceal them right now and prime my lids. So what I'm doing right now is my colors. So I'm gonna start off with this right here. It looks like it says chromatic, and we're gonna use some Kyoto. We're gonna start off by those two right now. Name of this palette is Revolution, and I picked it because it's giving very much Christmas, very much Kris Kringle. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend everything in right here. Okay, y'all, so we might as well go big or go home, innit? So I'm going to use Majestic. We're going to do some Majestic, right? And then I think what we're going to do next is come in with this one. What is this? Indigo. This is a freestyle, baby. We freestyle, get ready with me, child. So I'm gonna go ahead and come in and use Indigo next. I do use my fingertip to apply shimmer, so that's what I'm gonna do next. So now I'm just taking a clean brush and I am blending it in, inward and outward on both sides. Okay, so we're moving right on into lashes, just like that, boom. Because the last video I had, we did lashes, so check that out if you need to, child. So we're going to go ahead and align our lids as close as we can to your eyelashes with the 2-in-1 lash glue. I swear by this. So yes, go ahead and work on that. Okay, we're just cutting and shaping our lashes, and baby, I got these lashes from Burlington. Yes, Burlington, and them things fit like a glove. Yeah, so get into it, y'all. I was so hyped. This is the cute look. So now I'm priming with my vitamin C serum, and I'm also going to beauty blend my face with my Milani setting spray. Okay, y'all, I finished priming and everything. Y'all see why I had put this on my beauty blender. This is $1 from the Dollar Tree, but I don't like the element of surprise when I'm spraying my face. I don't like that. And then also it can mess up your eyes sometimes as well, especially if you might have mascara on or eyeliner. It can cause it to be wet and then transfer. So I don't even get into that. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply my, y'all already know what time it is. I have my Milani concealer. It's an all-in-one concealer and foundation, but I still use my other concealer. But this is what I'm using today. This is what I be doing over here, y'all. And that's what I use, on a regular basis. So we're just gonna go ahead and, y'all, I hope y'all like this get ready with me. This is actually really freaking fun. I'm just having so much fun. It kind of like, y'all know back in the day when you used to do the cooking shows and you just be like talking. That's how I feel right now. Like, okay, next that's how I feel right now. All right, now see, Dollar Tree was doing all right till you start coming out. Like, what you doing? You supposed to be, I'm supposed to be the Dollar Tree advocate, and you coming out. It's coming out. That's fine. Cause you know what? Baby, we don't got time. We'll just go ahead and do this for today. And going forward, I'll just use my other ones because I don't have time. Okay, so we're going to move right on into concealing. I'm going to go ahead and conceal with my Fenty Beauty concealer. We're going to just keep blending. This is blending in everything. We're blending in our foundation. We're blending in our concealer. We're getting in everything into the skin. So we just want to get all into it, all in the face. Yes! And I do, with my little broke up beauty blender today, use my Saie palette for my contour. So that's what I'm doing now. So I'm just putting my powder on. I wanted to just stop by and while I'm going through with my video. I'm just using my Sasha Beauty Buttercup. And I swear by this stuff, but I don't really be, I'm just gonna use the top because I don't really be putting a bunch of powder on. I put it around my nose because my nose be sweating and stuff. But I don't be doing that baking and frying, and I don't have, I'm just gonna put some powder on just to kind of, again, but I don't be doing all that, child. I just don't. And this turns out, my makeup still turns out really cute. So we're gonna keep on going. I'm gonna use this butter highlighter. Child, the thing broke up. Oh, I know you're lying. Oh my God. I did a makeup, I was traveling doing some makeup last week or two. It was for my grandma, but she retired, so I was doing her makeup, and child, not the thing break up in transit in the middle of travel. Oh my gosh, this is so ghetto. But you know what you can do? You know you can get it going back. Put some alcohol in it and mix it up. You'll bring it right back to life, baby. But we're just putting a little bit on because we already got a lot going on with the eye for me. So we're just gonna put a little bit on. Some more primer, some more setting spray on. But remember, I don't like the element of surprise, so I'm not doing that. So we're going pretty basic with the lip. Just have some brown lip liner, blending it in, topping it off with Revlon lipstick and a pink gloss. And then a regular gloss by itself. And do this with your lips moisturized. Because why my lips so ashy? Y'all see me trying to lift my lip throughout the thing? Make sure your lips moisturized, child. I had put the stuff on my lip, but just gonna put a little bit of lipstick. I hit it on accident, so. I always had a big bottom lip. I be saying some random stuff. That's why I be doing voiceovers, because I just always have a big bottom lip. People used to make fun of me, child. But now look at them beating the inbox down. This lip gloss I made this a few years ago. Love it, swear by it. I make everything, child. This is the raw uncut makeup. Cause you make it sound cute and look cute on video, but you really be over here goddamn struggling. It's cute, y'all. I'll be back, my pictures. Okay, y'all, this is the final look. Oh, okay, cause I thought somebody had to say something. Oh. No, this is a really cute look, y'all. Down to the eyes, the lip combo was something fire. You know, so it turned out real cute. I really, really like it. It does give very much Christmas. I mean, if you could almost bust this down with a red lip too, but I don't do red lips like that. But this is really good. This is a really cute look. I don't know if this necklace is supposed to be a choker, but Shein, don't play with it. But yeah, I love this, guys. Y'all try this look. Don't mind the boxes in the back. It's Christmas.